Hello and welcome back to the vStellar channel. In this video, I'll guide you through how to create and manage projects inside vStellar Studio. Let's get started.
When you first open vStellar Studio, after you log in, you'll land on the welcome screen where you can begin your work. To start, let's open the sample project. Click on Open Sample Project and make sure to choose a location where you haven't created a sample project already. The project will load and open automatically. Now let's take a look at how to manage your projects. If you want to create a new one, just go to the landing screen and click File, then New, and select Project. A dialog box will pop up where you can enter your project name, select where to save it, and decide if you want to initialize Git. Once everything is filled out, hit Create, and your project is ready to go. Now let's quickly review the project structure. On the left side of your screen, you'll see Project Explorer. This is where all your project files and folders will be. When you create a new project, you'll only see the test data folder by default. At the top of the Project Explorer, you have two viewing options, Compact View and Expanded View. Compact View will show you three main folders, Reports, Test Data, and Test Suite for a cleaner, simplified view. If you need a more detailed look, you can switch to Expanded View, where you'll have access to the full project structure. You can expand or collapse the folders by clicking the icons above. If you want to revisit a project you've worked on previously, you have two options. You can go to the File menu in the navigation bar and select Recent Projects to see a list of your recently opened projects. If you need to open an existing project from your system, simply click Open Project on the landing screen. Select the folder containing your project and it will open automatically. And that's it. You are now ready to create, explore, and manage projects inside vStellar Studio. Stay tuned for more videos where we'll continue building workflows and diving into more advanced features. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials.